In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile icon in Todoist. Having a clear, recognizable profile picture can be really helpful, especially if you collaborate with others on shared projects. It makes it easier for people to see who's commenting, assigning tasks, or updating items. So in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple steps to update your profile icon and give you a few tips along the way. First, open Todoist and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the upper left area of the interface. You should see your profile name displayed there. This is usually near your task list or navigation menu. Click on your profile name to open a small menu with options related to your account. From that menu, look for and click on the option labeled Account. This will open your account settings page where you can adjust personal details like your name, email, and of course, your profile icon. Give the page a moment to load so you can see all the available options clearly. On the account settings screen, find your current profile image. If you've never set one before, this will usually appear as a default photo or a simple placeholder icon. Click directly on that default photo. This is the main trigger that tells Todoist you want to change or update your profile picture. As soon as you click the image, Todoist will guide you with on-screen prompts. These prompts may give you options such as uploading a photo from your computer, selecting an image from your device's gallery, or possibly adjusting how the picture is cropped. Carefully follow each prompt. For example, if you're asked to choose a file, navigate to a clear, professional-looking photo you've already saved, select it and confirm. After you upload or select your new image, Todoist may show you a preview. Take a quick look to make sure your face or the part of the image you want is visible and centered. If everything looks good, confirm or save the changes, depending on what the button is labeled in your version of the app. Once you're done, your new profile icon should update across Todoist. You might need to refresh the page or navigate to another section and back to see the final result. And that's it. You've successfully changed your profile icon in Todoist by clicking your profile name in the top left, opening your account settings, selecting the default photo, and following the on-screen prompts.